Hey, turn around. Let me see your hands. Turn around. Let me see your hands. Okay, let me see your hands. I need to see some ID. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
What is your deal?
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, Buckeye Auditing and Transparency Channel. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on July 7th, 2020 in Columbus, Ohio. ATF agent James Burke went to the house to follow up on a report that a person living there had a weapon that they're not allowed to have. One of the powers that ATF agents have is to confiscate weapons from individuals that are not allowed to own one. When Agent Burke knocked on the door, the woman inside called 911. The woman did give the 911 dispatcher the agent's name and badge number, but still, 2 officers were dispatched to the scene for a report of a possible break-in. Within seconds of arriving on the scene, the officer has his gun out and is shouting orders to Agent Burke to get on the ground. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Get on the ground now!
I'm a federal agent.
917-110-3.
I'm a federal agent.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground. I'm a federal agent.
Why wouldn't you show me your ID when I got here? Don't move forward.
You didn't ask for it.
He is at 335.
Get on the ground. We'll figure it out.
On that 10-8.
Not getting on the ground.
Well, then stay where you're at.
I'll stay where I'm at.
Fine. Why do you got to make this harder than it is?
Listen, I'm not getting on.
I have no problem making this.
I just want to see if anybody in the precinct can respond as well.
You're the one overreacting.
I'm not overreacting. We got a call that someone's impersonating a police officer out here who doesn't have ID.
No kidding, because she doesn't want to open it.
Okay, get on the ground so I can find out who you are.
It ain't happening.
Okay, fine.
Not happening.
Fine. Do you I think I'm a police officer or something? What the heck's the matter with you? Who do you think you are? Get on the ground!
I'm not getting on the ground.
Chopper things.
I'm not getting
91-7, I'm pulling up.
I got my ID.
Do not reach for your waist! Keep your hands up!
Dude, why would I have an old lady?
Get your hands up!
Sir! Get on you! Face down! On the ground! Face down! Now! Face down!
As soon as the second officer arrives on the scene, Agent Burke complies with the officer's commands to get down on the ground. Even though the agent is now fully complying with the commands of the officers, you still hear the officer shouting things like "stop resisting." This is a common statement by police officers to give them some type of coverage when applying force to an individual, even if the individual is not resisting at all. Ultimately, the officers use their taser on the agent, even though he can be heard begging for the officers to get his federal ID out of his pocket.
Sir, I'm with you guys, for Christ's sake. I'm a fucking federal agent.
Who's your supervisor? What's your supervisor's name?
Hang on a second. The SAC is currently John McPherson, who's on his way out to retire, who will soon be rolling.
I took the mag out.
My God. This is crazy.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Stand up.
I'm not trying to be ashamed of myself.
Now, get back to the cruiser.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Sir,
Do this.
I didn't want you to. I wanted that. Wait.
No, you knew what you were doing.
Sir, calm down.
Relax.
Sir, hey, guys, please, just talk to me for 1 second, please.
Get in the car.
No,
We'll
wait.
talk later.
Sir, wait.
You had your chance.
No, I was trying to give you my creds. You didn't let me show them to
never
you.
once tried.
I did.
Get in the car.
Wait.
Now!
Have a seat. Please, wait, I gotta breathe.
Okay,
Please,
you
sir,
can,
let
you
me
can
breathe.
sit down and breathe.
Let me breathe. I have a medical condition.
We're going to get air to you. Get
No,
your legs
no.
in. Get your
Sir.
legs in. We're closing this door.
Sir,
Get your legs in.
I need air.
Squad, roll this guy.
Sir, please, call an ambulance. I'm asking for an
You
ambulance.
got a medic coming. Get in the car.
Sir, I don't need the medic. The taser didn't bother
You
me.
just said call an ambulance. We don't need
Yeah, now you don't want one. Get in the car.
in the car. Get all
Sir,
the way
I
in.
can't
I'll
breathe.
go around.
Wait, sir.
Yeah, if you got Dublin cars closed, keep them coming.
Wait, how did
We
this
can't get them in the
happen?
car.
Okay.
You're an idiot.
For crying out loud, you're a cop, you know how to act.
No, wait, I can't. You're fucking my head up. The seatbelt's in place. Please.
Why would you act like this?
I didn't act anyway. Please, sir.
If you are a real police officer, you ought to be ashamed of
I
yourself.
was trying to give you my creds.
The gun's up.
Sir, I was trying to give you my creds. Sir. Sir.
Put this on your dash. Dude, he wouldn't do anything I'm trying to tell him.
Sorry. The gun in your vehicle.
Please call my...
The chopper was overhead. I think they got him at the cruiser. Anybody else?
We had to taser him, so we got a medic coming.
Yeah, we canceled our units and now we heard you guys marked up again.
Well, that's what we thought, but then he wouldn't get in the car.
Trying to get in one of his houses.
If he is an actual police officer, he ought to be ashamed of himself.
I'm not. I'm trying to...
You're not. You're right. You're not.
my creds.
Yeah. No, you screwed up, you bet. First thing he should have had his badges out when I got here. Wouldn't get on the ground, wouldn't comply with anything.
At this time, the officer is going back over in his mind what actually had just taken place, and he keeps repeating the story to every officer he sees. He knows that he is screwed up, and he is trying to get some type of approval from the other officers on the scene. Ultimately, Agent Burke is detained for nearly an hour, but is released and never charged. Agent Burke has filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Columbus, the Columbus Police Department, and the two responding officers for excessive force and illegal detainment. It will be interesting to see where this lawsuit goes. For future updates on this lawsuit, please subscribe to our channel. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Buckeye Auditing and Transparency's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit your video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.